Good Modike morning, friends. Today, in this session, we will be understanding the four basic abbreviations which we often hear in Modike business. Once you join Modike, you will be hearing these terminologies which are MRP, DP, BV, and PV. So, what are they? It is very crucial to understand these because these are the fundamental pillars to build your big empire of your business. So, let's understand one by one. MRP and DP. What are they? MRP is the maximum retail price that will be printed on the product. It is the price for which the customer is going to buy that particular product. DP. What is DP? This is the distributor price. Once you join Modicare, you become a distributor, you become a consultant with Modicare, for which you will be given 15 to 20% off on each and every product you buy from Modicare. So that is why the discounted price will be called as DP, that is distributor price. Just for an example, I have given a soft wash hand wash product here whose MRP is 100 rupees. So the DP, that is the discounted distributor price, will be 85 rupees. So in market we have two types of markets, that is traditional marketing and we have network marketing. So what is the difference between these two is, in the traditional marketing there will be a manufacturer, but that manufacturer cannot sell the products to his customers, so he will go to the national agent. So national agent will take the product and add his commission to it and then pass it on to the wholesaler. So wholesaler buys the products in bulk and adds his commission also to it and then pushes to the sales force. So the sales force will take help of advertising. Before that they will also add their margin and then push it to the advertising. So the major part will be played by the advertising because they pay for the models, they pay for the brand ambassadors and also shooting and every expenses which will be occurring in the process of advertising. So advertising also takes a big part of the margin and then it pushes into the retailer. So retailer will take the product and add his margin also and then finally the product will reach the customer. The whole process. So the just for an example, I have given a beauty blender here. So the manufacturer's price is just 100 rupees, but when it gets into all of these hands, that is national agent, wholesaler, sales force, advertising, retailer, they keep on adding their margins and by the time it reaches the customer, it becomes 150 rupees. So 50% of the manufacturer price has been increased with these people. So that is why when we come into the network marketing, here the manufacturer price is 100 rupees, it goes directly to the customer. The only person who is in between the manufacturer and the customer is you, being a Modicare consultant. So here the 50% margin will be given to you by the company as business volume. So 50% of the product sale margin will be converted as business volume. That is what we call as BV. For example, if you sell 1000 rupees worth product from the company gives it to you approximately 50% of the price as business volume. Based on the business volume only, you shall get your paychecks every month from the company. So your BV decides your monthly income. Now let's get into the next topic, that is PV, that is the point value. Every 27 BV will be calculated as 1 PV. So point value. Here point value will help you to reach levels and based on the levels only you earn your commissions. So BV and PV are the two sides of the coin which are very essential. So the product price is 1000 rupees. Imagine there is a product, there is a perfume of 1000 rupees MRP. So the DP, distributor price of 20% discount, will be 800 rupees. On this 800 rupees, 50% will be BV, business volume. So you will be getting 400 BV and divide that into 27, you will be getting 14.8 PV on that perfume. So I hope these terminologies are clear by now. Before ending the session, I want to give you one more information on the APB, that is Accumulative Performance Bonus in Modicare, which is very promising, and it starts from 7% to 22%. And here we can see the chart also, where 7% is known as consultant, where you will have to have a point value, that is PV 1 to 300, and business volume will be from 27 BV to 8,126 BV. And next comes the 10% level, where the consultant will be promoted as senior consultant, and next is 13%, where you will become an associate supervisor, and next becomes a 16%, where you will be called as deputy supervisor. And then comes the 19%, where you will be a supervisor, and once you cross 6,001 PV, you become a 22% director. And BV and PV will never become zero, as and when you purchase products from the company, your BV and PV keeps on growing and it keeps on accumulating. So this month whatever PV you do, the next month it continues from where you left last month. And monthly income is decided based on PV, GBV is a group business volume. When you recruit people under you and build your own team, their sales, their BVs will be calculated as GBV, where your BV and your team's BV will be added. The sum will be called as GBV. So just multiply it with the percentage level you are in that particular month, and you get that paycheck every month. You even earn incentives from your direct downline sales also. We will be showing you a simple example where you can see how much will you be earning. For example, this person, Ramya, joined Modicare in February 2020. She bought few products for her family and house, and she made 150 PV and 4,000 BV in that particular month. So Ramya is at 7% level according to the chart, and let's calculate her income now. So it will be total personal business volume multiplied with the level where she is. So 4,000 BV she has made, so 4,000 multiplied with 7% she is in, so she gets 280 rupees check for the month of February. And in the example 2, Priya has joined 2 downlines under her, that is A and B. Let's calculate Priya's income for February. So Priya is also doing a something similar number, that is 4,000 BV and 150 PV. So same thing, but she has 2 downlines, and A has made 3,240 BV with the 120 PV, with which she will be in 7%. And B has made 1,620 BV with 60 PV. She is also in 7%. And now with 2 downlines, her BV, GBV, becomes bigger now. So let's add her 4,000, A's 3,240 and B's 1,620. So her GBV becomes 8,860. And what happens to her PV also? She has personally made 150, A has made 120, B has made 60. So let's add everything, and her group point value becomes 330. As soon as she crosses the 300 PV, she becomes a 10% level consultant. So she becomes a 10% level achiever now. And let's calculate her personal income. So personal income will be personal BV multiplied with the level where she is in. So she makes 4,000 multiplied with 10% now. So now it is 400 rupees. That is her personal income. And she gets incentives from her direct downlines also, but that will be the difference of levels. Okay, so that will be the BV what A is bringing in, multiply it with the difference of your percentage with the downlines percentage. So you are in 10%, A is in 7%. So 10 minus 7 is 3%. So A is bringing in 3,240, just multiply it with 3%. That is 97 rupees you are getting it from A. And B is bringing in 1620 BV, and the difference is you are in 10 and she is in 7%. So the difference is 3%. So multiply the 1,620 BV into 3%. So it becomes 42 rupees. So let's add everything, 400 plus 97 plus 42, and your income becomes 539 rupees. So this income will be credited to your bank account in the next month, in the first week itself. So that is the beauty of Modicare. As and when you grow, as and when you understand the basic terminologies, that is BV and PV, you also grow your checks bigger and bigger. I hope this session was helpful. So thank you so much. If you have any doubts, if you want to ask me anything, you can definitely comment it in the comment section. So thank you so much.